Welcome back, cruisers, to another episode of Cruise Control. I've been out of commission for the past 2 weeks due to a busted trailer taillight. But don't worry, the part has been ordered, so we'll be back on the water soon. Stay tuned as I show you how to remove the taillight on your trailer. Let's take a look. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification icon for the latest videos. Alright, welcome back, YouTubers, to another episode of Cruise Control. So, sorry for the lack of content lately. It's due to the fact that my trailer light, unfortunately, isn't working, the driver's side. So I wasn't able to take my my 16-foot party barge out in the water. So apparently there's some issues with these lights. So apparently there seems to be some issues with these lights here. It's a common issue. So one of the good things about buying your boat in Bass Pro is that it comes with an amazing warranty on both the boat and the trailer. But over here on the passenger side, it works just fine. I'm not even gonna test it out for you guys. It's really the driver's side that's having the issue. And how I know is that because I swapped it out just to double check. At first I thought it was the wiring, but it's not. Thought it was the bulb itself, but it's not. It's the actual part. So if you notice, if I zoom in a little bit, you notice that there's 4 screws there, which I made the mistake of removing it, taking out the lens, and it's not a bulb. It's actually LED. Kind of looks like a computer chip. So at first I was a little bit confused, but then I did some research and I realized that you have to take out the whole piece, which is in the back here. So you remove those 2 screws, and then there's a wiring harness you just unplug, and that's it. So I'm gonna remove it. But real quick, one thing that I did want to mention also is that even though you are under warranty, you do not need to bring your trailer over to the Bass Pro for them to swap it out. If you know how to do it, you just simply remove it, bring it there, and they'll give you a new part for it. So my Bass Pro is over at the Fort Myers location in Fort Myers, Florida. I'm not sure if it's like that for every Bass Pro, but I just explained my issue. They told me to just come in. I'm just waiting for the part to come in. So for now, I'm gonna just remove this piece here, and yeah, I'll show you how it's done. So first thing you need is a ratchet set, which I have one here. It's not a great one, but it does the thing. It does its job. Okay. All right. So for this, you need a 7/16. Can't really see it, but this is the socket you're gonna need to remove that. The screw there, those 2 screws. So stay tuned.